Hello guys, welcome back to our new session. So in this session we will break the new problem for the SQL. So the problem is of medium level and we have a data set of car launches. So in question the question is the problem main is you are given a table of product launches by company by year. So it means that the company has some data which their products is launched in two different years. You can say two different years or multiple years or 1 year. And it has said the write a query to count the net difference. So first one problem we have to break is the we have to count the net difference between the number of products company launched in 2020. So the line means that we have to first find the number of products companies launched in 2020 and with the number of products companies launched in previous year. So it means that the companies must have launched some products in 2020 and the companies must have launched some products in 2020, 2019 or in previous years. So it means that we have to calculate these two number of products companies launched in different years, and from that products counting we have to find the net difference, because it is right to carry to find the net difference, which is the main problem. So we'll break this problem by first filtering the data by the years. So let me start by, you can see I have already inserted the data of car launches and the data is this. So we have a table which is of three columns. First one is year, second one is company, and third one is product name. So in this data the company Toyota has three launches. We can see two in 2019 year and one is 2020 year. And the company Honda have five launches, which is of four of 2019 and one is 2020. Same with Chevrolet, same with Ford and Jeep. So we can say we have to filter out this data. So our first step is to filter out. We can say we can put a condition on when we can check if the company name has the year 2019. We can count them along, and the company have which company have 2020. We can count them along. We can count both the different in different on different conditions on based on year. So for easily visualization, I can show you how it will look like. So this is the MS Paint in I have drawing like data. So we have to filter out first. We can say we have to filter out the data by year. So we can say for 2019 we have two launches of Toyota, four of Honda, Chevrolet one, and Ford of two. So how can we find this? We can find this by sum up the data of Toyota in 2019 and on different companies, and along with the same procedure we can find the data for the 2020. So now let me show you how we can break this problem. So first we can write the query from select star from car launches, or we can select year, or we can select the company name, because we have to find the data of company name, comma. We can put a condition is for 2019 like uh, case when year is 2019 then 1. It means that if the company has the data for 2019 then it will show as 1, and else it will 0 and end. So this is our first condition for the 2019 car launches. So after calculating the number of products in 2019, it will calculate, so we can provide an aggregate function of sum, and we can aliasing as 2019 car launches, and as same we can say we can filter out for the 2020 when year is equal to 2020, then 1 else 0, and from car launches, and we can, so after filtering out the data we can group by the company, because after group by it will show us as the same company name for 2 years car launches. Group by company name, if I hit the enter, so I have the two data. First is for 2019, second one is for 2020. First let me aliasing the 2020 launches as 2020 car launches. Now we have the two data. First is for 2019 launches of company Toyota, and same for the 2020 company Toyota. So after this we have to find out, we can see in query, after that find out we have to find the query to count the net difference. So we can find the net difference by, so there is provided a statement also, output the name of the companies and the net difference of net products released for 2020 compared to the previous year. So it has already said that we have to compare to the 2020, so we can say we can just subquery this query st, and we can, now we can write a new logic from these above. So we can say first we have to print the company name, which is already spoken in the output, then along with the company name we have to find the net difference. So we can say 2020 car launches minus 2019 car launches, as we can aliasing is at net difference. So we can just group out this, and we hit the enter. So now we have the company name along with the net difference of products from 2020 to 2019. So how we this is how we solved this problem by using the subquery method. Now we can solve same these problem by using the common table expression. So I will show you how I will break this. First I have make the syntax of the query which I have written latestly. Now the second approach will be, we can say we can just copy our code of previous subquery method, and we can just write this as, we can break this down and we can just say our first query is this and our second query is this. So now we can provide the with city function along with this. So we can say with products difference as this, and after that we can write this query of our final main working query from product difference, because I have mentioned the name of product difference is the first query. So now we can just remove this part. Now our query is done. So we can just, if I type the control enter. So now we have got the same answer as previous one. We have solved this part of problem also. Thank you guys. Bye bye.